Welcome back to my channel. My name is Eva. If this is your first time seeing my bubbly head, hi, how you doing? I hope you're feeling good. In today's video, which I believe is going to be really exciting because I am going to be giving away one of these bad boys. Today's video, I am going to be taking you through my mobile videography passion. I love making videos with mobile phones, and I feel like everybody should make videos with mobile phones, especially you. If you've been thinking about making video content, but you haven't started because you don't have a big camera or an expensive camera, but you have a smartphone and you use it only for Instagram. Shame on you, baby. No, I'm just joking. No, but really, today's video, I want to take you behind the scenes. Well, not exactly behind the scenes, but I kind of want to show you the capability of the camera on this cheap phone. Cheap is a relative word, but it's not so cheap. In Nigerian Naira, it retails for about 38,000 Naira, thereabout. So if you're working on a budget and all you have is your phone, or if you already have a phone, I want to show you what this phone can do when it comes to video. Stay tuned, it's really fun. Plus, you want to find out how you can win one of this, because I'll be giving one away. I'm really itching to get to the part where I show you what I've been up to shooting with this phone, but first of all, let me show you what's inside the pack itself. This video today is not a review of the phone. I just want to take you into my world of mobile videography and show you what's possible when you're working on the budget using a phone like this. Now, of course, you know that I'm so in love with mobile videography. I've been talking about it every single time on my Instagram. I even have a course, an online course teaching you how to film and edit videos on your phone. That's a whole other conversation. You can find the links to that course down below if you're interested. However, today, let's find out what this phone can do in terms of videos. For a starter kit, for a starter phone, starter device, it is great. It is not so bad for a beginner, okay? When I started making videos, I was making videos on my phone as well, and I do remember it was a TECNO phone. Now, the only gripe that I have with this particular phone is the autofocus feature on the camera. The camera just continuously autofocuses. Even after you tell it what you want to focus on, it just keeps on autofocusing, and I find that to be really annoying for me because I'm trying to film something and I'm focused here and then it takes the focus somewhere else. So it's like, yo, just focus. So, how do you win? Very easy. First, subscribe to my channel, because if you're not a subscriber, I cannot select you to win the phone. So you have to subscribe. Click the link below to subscribe to the channel. I'll wait for you. Then, make sure you read the description on this video properly, because if you don't follow the instructions, then how can you win? So subscribe, check the link in the description, make sure that you follow the instructions completely, and also make sure that your hashtags are correct when you enter your entry into the competition, okay? So fill in the correct hashtags and then hope for the best. I hope that you win the phone. I hope that you win the money. Whichever way, everybody's a winner. Thank you so much for playing. I will see you guys in my next video. Let me know, of course, in the comments below if you want tutorials on mobile videography. Also, if you would like to take the online course on how to shoot and edit your videos with your phone, no matter what the smartphone is that you're using. Check the link in the description. I'll leave a link for you to check the course out, and if it's something that you want, why not? Go ahead. All right, babes, I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, by the way, I forgot, if you're loving this gorgeousness of a makeup look right now, you want to check my new video. Is going to pop in maybe like a couple of days. If you want to see how I created this gorgeousness, I filmed it for you, so make sure that you check back in a couple of days. So all the best to you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. I love you. How very, incredible you can make. Mommy, you're disturbing me.
What did I do?
Your spirit is moving.
Did you see me?